This video is intended for informational purposes only. Please do not act upon any of the information in this video without the guidance of a competent legal practitioner. Hi, my name is Eric Ratliff, Principal Attorney with the Ratliff Firm, located near Knoxville, Tennessee. Our practice is licensed in Tennessee, Virginia, England, and Wales. By being licensed to practice in England and Wales, we can represent you in European Union countries as well to serve your legal interest. I also hold a Master of Law in International and Domestic Taxation from the Thomas Jefferson School of Law. And I also teach there in subjects such as offshore asset protection planning, offshore estate planning, transfer pricing, domestic estate planning, and other topics relevant to those issues. Here at the Ratliff Firm, we practice international and domestic business and tax law. We travel globally to assist our clients. We try to be fair and helpful to our clients. That is, we're available on weekends, we're available after hours, and we only take so many clients at a time because these issues are very time intensive, and these issues that we cover take a lot of work to assist a client. We work with a number of financial advisory firms, and it's important for you to remember that in any tax or legal or financial decision, there's three people that need to be involved with that decision. The first one, in no particular order, is your attorney, your financial advisor, and then your CPA. If those three people are not coordinating, then your issues are not going to get resolved. That's the reason that we work with a number of global financial advisory firms where we're referred in to assist with our clients, and we already have familiar relationships so we can assist you. The purpose in what we're doing with this video series, this is an introduction of course, but our purpose is to provide you with a resource for information that will help you distinguish fact from myth regarding certain legal structures that could assist you. And it's not in a format that you have to read a lot of literature or that you have to take a lot of time out of your day to learn about. All you need to do is just simply watch the video. If you find it interesting what we're talking about, then you can contact us and discuss it, and we'll see if that structure meets your legal needs. Some of the structures that we're going to talk about in the future that are very hot right now and that are topics that people are interested in, first of all, is offshore and domestic life insurance and asset protection planning. We'll also be talking about business succession planning with the use especially of ESOPs. There's other methods that we'll discuss, but we'll also demystify the ESOP method, and we'll talk about 409P and some of the issues around synthetic equity. We're also going to, at a basic fundamental level, we're going to distinguish between a revocable living trust and a will, and why one might be better than the other for your situation as far as personal estate planning. We're also going to talk about planning with life insurance, all the creative ways of planning with life insurance, such as methods that we've learned from some of our partners like Hartford, John Hancock, and a number of other insurance providers. And we're also going to include in this how to use split dollar in business succession planning and personal wealth transfer planning, and we'll also discuss how to use intentionally defective grantor trust in that type of planning. We're going to talk about GRATs and family limited liability companies, and we're also going to talk about Tennessee Domestic Asset Protection Trust. What you need to be careful about with this concept, to give you an indication of what we're going to discuss in the video, is that although it's new to the state of Tennessee, and at one time it was new to the state of Nevada and new to the state of Alaska, this concept's not new in other countries. This concept was borrowed, to use a lighter term, from other jurisdictions such as a Nevis LLC and certain German entities that even created the LLC itself. So what we're going to do is review the law of these jurisdictions to compare it with American law and to see where you may end up if you use this type of entity for asset protection planning purposes. So contact us. If any of these topics sound interesting to you, or you want to ask us to present on a different topic, contact us via email or phone call. Our website is listed on the screen right now. It's www.ratlifflawfirm.com. www.ratlifflawfirm.com. On the contact page on that website, you can find my personal email address. Please feel free to email me with questions, concerns, or what you would suggest for a future video topic. Our phone number is 865-932-3441. That's also listed on the screen at this time. Call me if you have any questions about these topics, and one of our dedicated and competent staff will get back in touch with you to discuss these issues. Thank you for listening to this video, and thank you for your participation. We look forward to having you for future videos.